Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up or disable the face unlock on the LENOVO Yoga Book 9. This laptop is equipped with a face recognition hardware, so you can easily set it up by going to the settings and now go to accounts. Let me just show you the settings app. So if you go to accounts, you will see the sign-in options. Now you can go to facial recognition, and if you don't have it set up, click on setup. Then click on get started and enter your PIN first. So I don't have my keyboard enabled. That's pretty unfortunate. I think I need to move this window a bit up. Okay. And now look straight into the camera. Once it's completed, you can click on close. If you want to delete the face recognition, click on remove. If you want to improve it, you can try setting up again, but with glasses or with or without bird, whatever you want, you can try that. And now as I lock my screen, I'm gonna show you how to unlock it with face. So now I have unlocked it on the top screen. I just needed to look for a split second. Okay, let me try again. And now I'm logged in. It usually just works fine and very quickly, but I had some problems with setting it up, so it sees me. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.